Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a steering stabilizer on a Jeep Wrangler JK. First, gather your tools, including a 18mm wrench, a 19mm wrench, and a torque wrench. Ensure your Jeep is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. You'll find the steering stabilizer mounted between the axle and the tie rod, typically near the front differential. Safety first, so always use jack stands if lifting the vehicle. Now, let's get that old stabilizer off. Use your 18mm wrench to loosen and remove the nut and bolt connecting the stabilizer to the tie rod. Next, move to the axle side. You'll use a 19mm wrench for this bolt. Once both bolts are out, the old stabilizer should slide right off its mounts. Sometimes a little persuasion is needed, but avoid excessive force. With the old one out, let's install your new steering stabilizer. Start by positioning the new stabilizer onto the axle mount. Insert the bolt and hand tighten it for now. Then, align the other end with the tie rod mount. Insert that bolt and hand tighten it as well. Make sure everything is lined up correctly before moving on to tightening. Now for the final tightening. Use your torque wrench to tighten the axle side bolt to 55 foot-pounds. Then, move to the tie rod side and torque that bolt to 55 foot-pounds too. Double-check both bolts to ensure they are secure. Finally, take your Jeep for a short test drive to confirm the new stabilizer is working correctly and your steering feels solid. Enjoy the smoother ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.